Sir. Yes, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized.
Thank you. I'm happy.
You may proceed, sir.
I'm happy I finally heard Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo is concerned about the justice or injustice to Vice President Sara. That's good news. Regarding the waste of time here, sabi ni Senator Joker Arroyo, it is useless to argue a legal point with a non-lawyer. When Senator Marcoleta brought that up here, nagkaroon ng commotion. Senator Miriam stood up here many times and said, kaya ka nga nagpo 4 years na law school at nagbabar. So let me give my own interpretation. The impeachment court is formed with lawyers and non-lawyers. And we interact, and it's for everyone, and we're equal. But if there's an engineer here or a doctor and they talk about medical principles, I have to either study and argue on medical principles. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, hindi, ganito lang yan, logic lang yan, etc. Diba? So, ang legal principle natin today is simple, integrity ng court. So, allow me to mention that to the people and help educate my colleague here. The integrity of the court and the justices or judges is always relevant. So if the Supreme Court or COMELEC, Court of Tax Appeals, Sandigan Bayan is being heard and the judges are being threatened, you give them time. So we cannot take the impeachment out of context. May nangyayaring flood control scandal, may nangyayaring gulo sa Team Unity na hindi na united ngayon. We consider Senator Marcoleta and Senator Jinggoy political prisoners, weaponized yung Blue Ribbon Committee at weaponized yung ano. So Mr. President, hindi tama na sabihin na I wasn't, after we brought up the problem with NBI, they doubled down, naggumawa pa ng task force. I mentioned 2 colleagues sa Salian, I didn't accuse them. Sabi ko lang, just like Vice President Sara, just because tumaas ang SALN, can we already ask for the BIR, for the AMLA and the bank accounts? So sabi ko, yan ang i-discuss.
Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, his remarks are noted. Senator Judge Soto, thereafter, Senator Judge Padilla, thereafter, the presiding officer shall make a ruling. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President, the presiding officer. I do not have 4 years of law, but I have 29 years of lawmaking. And I move that the manifestations of that we have heard be referred to the Senate proper.
We will act on it at the proper time, Your Honor. Thank you. Your remarks are noted. Senator Judge Padilla is recognized. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Maraming salamat po, aming tagapamahalang hukom. Ito pong kasuotan natin sa mga oras na ito, hindi lamang po ito nire-represent ang impeachment ng ating pangalawang Pangulo. Ang nire-represent po nito ay ating karapatan bilang mga Pilipino at unang-una na ang due process. Ito po yun ang ibig sabihin. Kaya ikaw ay pangalawang Pangulo, ikaw ang Pangulo, ikaw ay Senator Judge, ikaw ay magsasaka, ikaw ay mangingisda, kailangan may due process. Yung pong nangyari sa akin, na ako po ay nahusgahan na kaagad bilang Senator Judge, ang pinaglalaban po natin integridad ng korte na ito at ng mga Senator Judge. Kaya sana po wag nating kalimutan na ang bawat Pilipino ay may karapatan, lalong-lalo na sa usapin na ikaw, ako, sa oras na ito, ay Senator Judge. Yun lamang po, napakaiksi lang. Due process, mga mahal kong kaibigan, mga mahal kong kababayan, maging prosecution, maging defense, sa ating lahat, huwag nating kalimutan, pantay-pantay tayo sa batas. Maraming salamat po.